Welcome friends, in this video tutorial we will see how to see various types of reports. So there are various types of reports which we can generate and we can also print that type of reports. So let's see how to see the various type of report based on our transaction by day or by month. We can see various types of reports. So go to the first gateway of Tally and select reports option. In reports option there will be one option called display. Enter into that display option, and display menu you can see various types of report in which each have special purpose, but currently we will see only one report, which is the trial balance. So enter into the trial balance. Now in trial balance we can see what is the closing balance, what are the our current assets, what are the branch and division balance, purchase account, ledger balance. Means in this report we can see various ledgers reports, means in which particular ledger what is the current balance, how much amount is debited or credited, and finally we will see grand total, which is balanced grand total. So as you can see, what is the current asset, opening stock, or opening stock was 5875 rupees, cash in hand was 2000, and bank accounts have 4000. Branch and division means Gujarat branch account contains 66,750 rupees of credit. Purchase account ledger is 15,750 rupees. So in previous example I have purchased one detergent powder of 15,750 rupees, so it is given into the debit. Now labor cost, if you have labor cost ledger then you can also see labor cost here. And difference in opening balance, this is the most important. What is the difference between opening balance and the current closing balance? So it is given by this, and at the end you can see the grand total, which will be the same in debit and credit. So how much amount comes and how much amount of capital goes outside the company, which we can, that is we can track by using the trial balance report. So this is the use of trial balance report to see how much assets and capital are involved in particular ledger. So this is about trial balance report. Thank you.